Dear students, in this video we are going to study about the first aids we want to give in case of sprain, fracture and burns. First of all, we are going to study what is a sprain. When the tissues around a joint like the wrist or ankle get torn, we call it a sprain. Sprain is very painful. There is swelling and discoloration on the skin. We can tie an elastic bandage on the sprained region. There are 4 methods of first aid, that is together known as RICE, that is rest, ice, compression and elevation in case of a sprain. Rest, we should not move that part of the body that is sprained. We should take rest. We apply ice cubes or ice pack on the sprained region. We can tie an elastic bandage, that is called the compression. We should keep our sprained leg on the pillow or some higher objects slightly above the level of our heart. This will reduce the swelling and pain. We can apply some pain relieving ointments to get relief from the pain. Students, now we are going to study about the first aid we want to give in case of a fracture. The bones are broken. A break or crack in a bone, that is called a fracture. Here there are simple fractures are there, compound fracture is there. If there is a crack, it will join very quickly, but the entire bone is broken, then it will take more time to heal. When we have a fracture, it is characterized by swelling and severe pain in the region. We should make a splint, attach that splint to the fractured part. We can fold the newspaper and make a splint. We can use a piece of wood, a piece of cardboard or even a pillow for making a splint. The splint keep the bone in a straight manner. There are different types of splints we can use while giving the first aid. Then children, the fractured bone that should be tied to our neck using a triangular piece of cloth. Then take the patient to hospital. That is the first aid should be given in case of a fracture. Students, now we are going to study about burn injuries. Burn injuries occur due to boiling water, hot objects, fire, steam, electric points, chemicals such as acids. All these cause burns. The burned region, if minor burns are there are blisters. We should not prick the blisters. We should cool the burned area under the running water, that will cool the burn. We should not keep ice pack or ice directly on the burned part, it will increase the burn. We should wrap a light bandage above the burned region, otherwise the germs or dust will enter into the opened wound created by the burn and there will be an infection. So students, we should take care. If there is a burn, we want to give the person a warm drink. Do not frighten the person. Then take the patient to hospital. That is the first aid we want to give in case of burns. If here the burned part that is covered with a light bandage. If the burns occur due to chemicals, you can see it is characterized by some other type of signs on the hands or the affected region, we can understand that it is caused by the chemicals. We should pour plenty of running cool water on the burn region to wash away the chemicals. Then take the patient to hospital. That is the first aid we want to give in case of chemical burns. So students, we studied about the first aids we want to give in case of sprains, fracture and burns. I hope you understood, and in the next video we will study more about the first aids in different cases. Thank you students.